Goodbye to dear old Ireland. It's the place where I was born. When I think of those hills, those woods, those streams, to part with makes me mourn. It oft times nearly breaks my heart and leaves me a troubled mind. When I think of dear old Ireland and the home I left behind, I was born on a mountainside down by a silvery stream, and still it pictures in my heart like memories, thoughts and dreams. When I think of this charming fellow, I often call him mine. When I think of dear old Ireland and the home I left behind, it was early one morning with a sad and broken heart. I stood upon my father's floor and said, we now must part. With my mother's arms around my waist, as the tears her eyes did blind, I stole out from her arms and the home I left behind. We ploughed the broad Atlantic till we came to Columbus shore, to seek for employment as thousands done before, to meet with some of my country folk. I was very much inclined that I parted with some years ago in the home I left behind. Since I have left